In this video, we'll bring you through a beginner's guide to investment-linked policies. ILP allows you to get life insurance coverage while also investing at the same time. What is an investment-linked policy? ILPs are designed to provide the dual benefits of life insurance coverage and investment opportunities that comes in two different forms. Single premium ILPs, where you pay a lump sum premium to buy units in a sub-funds. Most single premium ILPs provide lower insurance protection than regular premium ILPs. Regular premium ILPs, where you make monthly payments. Regular premium ILPs may allow you to vary the level of insurance coverage you need. How does ILP work? The premiums that you pay are used for these two purposes: invest in investment-linked funds, purchase insurance coverage. Investment returns are based on the performance of your chosen sub-fund, so you will need to select one that meets your investment objectives and risk profile. There are a range of ILP sub-funds to choose from. This is to suit the different investment objectives, risk profile, and time horizons an individual would have. You also have to bear the full investment risk, and there are no guaranteed returns for ILPs. Your premiums are used to pay for units in one or more sub-funds of your choice. Some of the fund units you purchase are then sold to pay for the cost of insurance and administrative charge, while the rest remain invested. ILPs provide insurance protection in the event of death or, if included, total and permanent disability. Depending on the policy, the death or total permanent disability benefit may comprise the higher of the sum assured or the value of the units in the sub-fund at that point in time, or some combination of the two. The value of these units depends on their price, which in turn depends on the sub-fund's performance. This is why ILPs usually do not have any guaranteed cash value returns. So why should you invest in ILPs? The biggest advantage that ILPs offers is their flexibility. First, flexibility to adjust coverage. With ILPs, your ILP funds your insurance coverage, so increasing your covers comes down to selling more funds to buy more insurance. The downside is that you will decrease your investment, but on the other hand, you are increasing your coverage without paying higher premiums. Second, free fund switches. You will be offered free fund switches within the list of sub-funds offered by the insurance company. Usually, switching funds involve redemption fees and subscription fees. Fund switches are useful if market conditions change, if your chosen sub-funds are not performing as well as others, or if your risk appetite changes. You can use this advantage to change your investments by switching sub-funds when your financial needs change. You may also top up your investment and make partial withdrawals. However, there is a limitation of the number of times you are allowed to switch funds, and you would have to consult your financial advisor on your limitation and how much switching fees you are required to pay once you have reached the maximum number of fund switches. With that said, there are still risks associated with ILPs. This includes, first, investment risk. Returns are not guaranteed. The value of an ILP depends on how the sub-funds performs in the market. While ILPs project higher returns, they do not guarantee that rate. What you end up with when you surrender your policy depends on what the units are worth at that time. Investment risk is borne by the policyholder. It is important that you do not rely on the past returns of a sub-fund as an indication of its future performance. Second, insurance coverage charges. The cost of insurance rises with age. As we get older, our risk of developing diseases and conditions also increase. Over time, your units bought with your premiums previously may no longer cover your insurance costs. You may then end up with little or none put into investments. To maintain the investments, you can resort to reducing insurance coverage. ILPs usually do not have any guaranteed cash values. Hence, you can potentially lose the entire value of your investment. Therefore, it is vital that you take note of a few considerations before purchasing an investment-linked policy and ensure that you buy an ILP that is suitable to address your needs and risk appetite. Please subscribe, like, and share our video. Thank you.